Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited. As we know that Future Group and Reliance Industries Limited entered agreement. Reliance wanted to take over this Future Group. There was a deal, and then Amazon was a minority stakeholder in this company, and then the things went in a completely different direction. And right now, this deal between Amazon and Future Group and Reliance is stuck from more than a year. Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited. I am already very bullish on the logistics sector. There were many companies which I discussed on this channel. Directly, Adani Ports is one of the clear-cut pick, and fundamental analysis is available on the channel. There is one dedicated video on logistics sector in which I discuss about Mahindra Logistics, Gati Logistics, and all other companies like All Cargo, and the companies which are related to this supply chain management solutions, including Shankara Building Products. Shankara Building Products is also one of the company which was discussed on the channel, and it still remains one of the interesting companies which is there in this supply chain management, supply chain solutions. Now, Future Group is in trouble. Now, when I was going through the logistics sector companies, I stuck across this Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited. Now, I am not, recommending any buying or sort of thing, but the only thing that if at all things put in right place, or if at all we look at the Future Group assets, Future Group companies, if at all I want to purchase any company, let's say if I have capability to purchase a company, then which company I would choose? Then if I see from this angle, it seems that this company turns out to be a viable choice. I am going to discuss in detail, but let's go through the basic structure of the company, basic nature of the company, and then we will discuss some financials, and then the logic behind taking this stock for discussion. That I will discuss in the last part. First of all, the company is right now it's around 73 rupees, and it was trading around 700 rupees. तो सीधा एक 90% करेक्शन आ गया है स्टॉक में फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 or more year. 90% is correction in the stock. Now around 73 rupees, 74 rupees. Market capitalization is around 320 crores. तो फिलहाल ये सिनारियो है. Now let's go through the details of the company. As you can see in the picture, this company is basically into three broad logistic supply chain solutions, basically a contract logistic, express logistics, and temperature control logistic. Now when I talk about the contract logistic, include analyzing customer specific needs, business processes to plan and create customized supply chain solution. Now we must note that this a third party, a company which is not a part of Future Group can avail these services. Basically, that's why the company has nothing to do with the Future Group supply chain products and services. Of course, they are one of the major consumers of this, but apart from that, a third party can be a client of this company. Okay, that is the basic nature of the business. Our distribution centers receive, store, track, dispatch customers' inventory, and provide end-to-end real-time visibility. Okay, integrated technology-enabled distribution centers. Key competencies, capabilities to study customer supply chain processes, re-engineer, build, implement efficient supply chain. Okay, nothing specific. Technology-enabled distribution center across India with warehouse height ranging from 7.5 to 14 meters. Warehousing capabilities we have. Express logistic business offers time-bound PTL, FTL transportation using hub and spoke network in dedicated containerized fleet of GPS-enabled trucks. We offer prime logistics services, specialize in handling a wide variety of products from toys to ATMs, delivering customer delight across 12,000 plus pin codes. टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल्ड है दिशा सर्विस ये यहाँ पे भिवंडी गांधी which is this place, Ganeshpura in Gujarat, Chennai and Kashipur. These three places have temperature control. Express control services across India, pan India hub and spoke model. हब आप देख सकते हो ऑरेंज कलर में. One is in Ahmedabad, okay, Indore, likewise Chennai. उन्होंने बिल्ड किया है अपना नेटवर्क. टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल, 9 डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर्स. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉजिस्टिक का डिटेल आपके सामने. 80 डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर्स, 8 million square feet warehousing space. Okay, something which we can consider as a strong asset. 8 million square feet warehousing space कंपनी के पास है. एक्सप्रेस लॉजिस्टिक 126 ब्रांचेस, 13 hubs, पिन कोड्स 12,000 पिन कोड्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली. सो ये थोड़ा कंपनी का offerings है. Again there are pictures which you can see. Distribution center, warehousing space and so on. Across, first of all I would like to tell you across India it is present. So not a regional approach. कोई asset कहाँ है ये भी मैटर करता है. So across India there is a network of supply chain which is present of this company, Future Supply Chain Solutions. Now apart from that, company is also into automation and technology. Some automation, robotics is there, maybe at a very primary level. India food grid, एक food grain और जो FMCG products है उनका एक अपना एक dedicated solution, logistic solution they came up with. Okay. Now let's go to the financials of the company. इस आपके सामने इनकम स्टेटमेंट बेसिकली मार्च 2020 में सेल्स वर अराउंड 1140 करोड़. वहां से डायरेक्टली हो गए 466 करोड़. इवन दो इट वाज अ पैंडेमिक ईयर और ये जो हुआ इन द कॉर्पोरेट हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, दिस रिमेन्स वन ऑफ द troublesome chapter, bad chapter of acquisition, जहाँ पे Reliance Group ने acquire किया and then it went all the way in a completely different direction. Total income 500 crore for FY21 from almost 1200 crore to 500 crore. Interest outgo आप देख सकते हो 98 crore 100 crore. मतलब कंपनी के ऊपर डेट भी है. Of course is not very heavy debt, but there is a debt. Or net loss is around, net profit is basically negative, net loss is minus 184 crore. So loss is 184 crore, which was a profit making entity of 11 crores in the past, 11 crores in till FY 2020. So this was a bit of financials. Now let's have a look at the balance sheet. आप बैलेंस शीट की तरफ थोड़ा देखेंगे. शेयर कैपिटल इज 43 करोड़. तो कहीं ना कहीं फेस वैल्यू 10 है. कहीं ना कहीं मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि स्लाइटली आई वोंट से लो कैपिटल, बट कैपिटल बेस लो है कंपनी का. कैपिटल बेस इज नॉट वेरी लो, बट वी कैन कंफर्टेबली कैटेगराइज इट कि लो कैपिटल बेस कंपनी है. ठीक है. लायबिलिटीज एज यू कैन सी, ज्यादा हम लोग डीप में जाएंगे नहीं, बिकॉज सी देयर इज ऑलरेडी यू नो सम अंडर जुरिडिक्शन है ये कंपनी एंड देयर इज सम कोर्ट केसेस गोइंग ऑन. सो it's not correct to analyze the things in this context. when the company is already struggling in the court और कुछ court cases चल रहे, then we can't really value the things from the rational point of view. तो थोड़ा वो चीजें थोड़ा साइड में ही रखते. कंपनी नाउ लेट्स सी द, जब से लिस्ट हुआ है आई थिंक 2019 में कुछ हुआ रहेगा लिस्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली डीमर्ज करके, वहां से 90% स्टॉक करेक्ट हो चुका है. तो ये कुछ 700 के ऊपर रहने वाला स्टॉक आज 73 रुपीज पे आकर रुक गया है. मोर देन अ ईयर इट इज लाइक अराउंड 70. नाउ व्हाट, अगर ये कंपनी को इंडिपेंडेंटली अगर सेल करने निकाला जाए तो दीज असेट्स एंड दीज कैपेबिलिटीज डू हैव मार्केट वैल्यू. 320 करोड़ इंक्लूडिंग द डेट. अगर हम लोग 100 करोड़ इंटरेस्ट आउटगो पकड़ दे ऑन अ कंजर्वेटिव साइड, इवन इफ यू टेक liabilities in the bracket of let's say 700-800 crore assumption plus 300 crore current market cap, तो company is around valued around 1100 crore. Still this company looks attractive. बट ये जो कोर्ट केसेस चल रहे हैं और ये कॉर्पोरेट जो राइवलरी है और जो इसमें ये लीगल इसमें फंसा हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ वेरी क्लियर कट नोट दैट यू शुड बी वेरी कॉन्शियस व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद सच companies which are in trouble. So it's this company is in trouble. But logistics sector and looking at the supply chain solution company which is independently listed, this turns out to be area where you should keep a close watch. कैसे डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं अमेजोन, रिलायंस और फ्यूचर ग्रुप के बीच में, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट द थिंग्स आर इवॉल्विंग. बट लॉजिस्टिक सेक्टर में पैन इंडिया सप्लाई चेन रहने वाला, 8 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट वेयर हाउसिंग कैपेसिटी रहने वाला कंपनी, दैट टू मैनेज बाय अ वेरी लार्ज ग्रुप लाइक फ्यूचर ग्रुप, इज अवेलेबल टुडे. और डेट लेवल अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट, ये बहुत ज्यादा डेट लेवल नहीं है विच इज कंप्लीटली अनमैनेजेबल. एक 800 करोड़ हम लोग अप्रोक्सीमेटली अज्यूम करते हैं. 100 करोड़ आउटगो, इंटरेस्ट आउटगो देख के इफ आई अज्यूम 800 करोड़ टोटल डेट, स्टिल थिंग्स फॉल इन प्लेस, वैल्यूएशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और द नेचर ऑफ द बिजनेस और बाकी सब देखते हुए ठीक है लॉस में है, बट थिंग्स कैन बी पुट इन करेक्ट प्लेस. ई कॉमर्स का जो इमरजेंस है, हाइपर लोकल डिलीवरी का जो ट्रेंड है, एंड दिस ऑल द इमर्जिंग इकोसिस्टम in e-commerce and logistic, this puts this company at a sweet spot. Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited. Of course, there is a clear-cut note of caution that you should be very conscious. You should study this company thoroughly at your own level, do your own research before buying this stock or any assets, or any sort of stocks or asset. That is a clear-cut, note from me. That was it about the Future Supply Chain Solutions Limited. I hope you find this video interesting. Do share this video with your friends, relatives, and like-minded people. Subscribe to our channel for interesting updates. Apart from videos, I keep on putting certain observations, certain text on YouTube community page, जो आपको एक image आएगा and certain text आएगा. Sometimes you will get just text. So I am more inclined towards YouTube channel only. So please subscribe to this channel. Apart from videos, other text and images are also I am putting on this very channel. Also, we have Twitter and Instagram account. These are the addresses for those accounts. Thank you.